Hi guys, we are now on our way to the train station to ride a train to see the Matterhorn in Zermatt. What a wonderful day! Start the day. We're going to what? What? Where? Going we are going to the top.
Die Gornergrat heißt Sie herzlich willkommen im Zug Richtung Gornergrat. Mit Ihrer Fahrkarte können Sie.
At this moment, the journey begins. So the entire journey from Zermatt rail station to the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise takes more than 45 minutes, but we can still enjoy the view while riding the train. The Matterhorn is a mountain of the Alps, straddling the main watershed and border between the Switzerland and Italy. It is also large, near symmetric pyramidal peak in the extended Monte Rosa area of the Pinay Alps, whose summit is 4,478 meters high, making it one of the highest summits in the Alps and Europe. And guess what? The Matterhorn is famous for its almost perfect pyramid shape. Its four-sided ridge rocky peak. The Matterhorn Gotthard Band train is a great way to get close to the mountain without actually having to climb it.
Enjoy your travels.
Thank you. You too. Oh, look at that. Thank you for bringing us. So let's use this ticket.
Please get on board.
I expected it to be colder.
The place was so amazing and all places are picture perfect that all people enjoyed a lot, especially us.
Let's go to the shop and ask for hiking irons for your shoes.
Matterhorn! Of course, I don't want to miss the opportunity to taking pictures too. Good thing I have a supportive partner to take my pictures and videos always. Now I changed my shoes. So let's go down. Down, 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 down. So this time we tried to hike down. Is it?
Probably, yeah.
And the train are there, but we did not ride the train. We are just going down. Wow. Wow. The view is spectacular down here. Where is that?
Zermatt.
Where's Zermatt? Zermatt, how many hours?
Maybe 3 hours.
Good luck, guys. We need to do this. We need to hike down, 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 down. Are you serious? There are 3 options for you to get back down to Zermatt. Get the train all the way back down. Use your ticket to stop at the platforms along the way. Or get walking, just like we did. It's about taking pictures of flowers. Great. What about me? Taking pictures of me here? Maybe you have a nice video pictures there. See? I took a nice picture of you. We don't know if we're going up or
This
just
is the way.
yeah.
This is the way.
This is the way. Oh, the train is there. Hey, help! The great thing about buying a ticket on the Gornergrat band is that you can stop off all the stations along the way. So if you just wanted to stop off and get a different view of the mountains, that's okay. Also, you could just walk a little of the way or between stations, so it's completely flexible. We saw the first lake. Yeah, from there, must be there. We must going down there for the Matterhorn. Let's go. It's dirty.
Two hours later.
Where are the sheep? Heidi! Peter! Another trying to find them. But still we can't find them here. Maybe they are there.
Yeah, for sure.
Helicopters are trying to check for the mountaineers. See? No ships. We're here, guys. Almost there. We're almost there. See, sparkling. Look at that. Is it sparkling? All the way down there. You can feel it sparkling, guys.
Diamonds are forever.
Looks like diamonds are forever. See? Anyways, let's continue down there. Let's go. Now, we're here at the famous lake. Ta-da! Let's go closer. One of the highlights of walking is you get to see their amazing lakes, just like we did. On a clear, sunny, and completely non-windy day, we saw the reflection of the peak of the Matterhorn. Since I forgot my hat, then umbrella is the key. Ella. And I am only the one using umbrella here.
You can
Well,
take the song for the video.
This is my my gosh. Are you serious? Oh my god. Oh wow. Look at that. Remembrance. I have pee here.
What?
Here. At the Matterhorn. I pee. Let's go.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hours later.
Guys. Not yet.
We're not in Zermatt.
We're not yet in Zermatt, but we are near in the train station. Going to Zermatt because we can't.
We are still deciding to walk.
He was decided to go to Po. But me, let's go to the train. Guys, we've been there. And goes down. Whew. Let's go to the train. After we have been up to Gornergrat and come back down by hiking, that makes us really exhausted. We decided to go back to our hotel to freshen up. To reward ourselves by achieving one of our travel goals, we deserved these sumptuous foods in the restaurant of Hotel Pollock's Pente in Zermatt. I only like this.
Don't like the top. This?
Not really.
Why not? Let me know.
As we're making our way back home, we couldn't help but to think back to what an amazing place Zermatt was. It's really a magical place for us. Visiting here is a must when you come to Switzerland, and it will definitely be a trip that will stick with you. The Matterhorn is such an incredible mountain, and coming up close to see it was just awesome. Make sure you add this one to your bucket list.